to 2024 Ho Asogli Borborbor Carnival, a festival to celebrate the rich cultural heritage of the Volta region through music, dance, food, and art while promoting community unity and raising funds for a good cause. This is gonna be pure fun as dance groups across the country compete and dance in merriment, showcasing the rich area culture with pride. This 28th September at Ho the Oxygen City, join us for one of the biggest traditional carnivals in Ghana. Over 10 shortlisted Borborbor groups will compete for the grand prize, a trophy, 10,000 Ghana cedis, and some fantastic souvenirs. Each group brings creativity to life, showcasing stunning costumes and electrifying performances. Collaboration or affiliation opportunities, call or WhatsApp us on 0539 984990. 2024 Ho Asogli Borborbor Carnival.